In this video, we are going to show you how to manage maps and use the different features. After your botic 1900 has mapped out an area, you can save the map by going to Map Management and pressing Save. This will ensure it remembers the map for future cleaning. You can edit the map by pressing Room Edit. Here you can merge or split the map. By splitting a map, you can create different rooms within the same map. Line up the cutting tool where you want the map to split and press Split. To change the cleaning plan, press the Cleaning Plan button. Here you can change the order of the rooms you want to clean. First, press Edit. Then press Order. You can then press the rooms in the order you want them to be cleaned. Then press Save. You can also give custom settings to each room. For example, how many times you want the botic 1900 to clean the room, or the fan settings it operates on. When done with the settings, press Save. You can also change the standard suction level of the botic 1900. We have strong, normal, or gentle. You can also create no-go zones or invisible walls. You can do this by pressing the Forbidden Edit button. Press Area. You can then create a zone the botic 1900 won't go to. You also have the option to create invisible walls. You can enable this option by pressing Wall at the top of the screen. You can then position the invisible wall. Your botic 1900 won't cross this wall. Via the app, you can assign different cleaning modes. Let's go through them one by one. First, we have the spot cleaning mode. This mode is perfect for areas with concentrated debris. It creates a pin, and the botic 1900 will intensively clean the area around the pin using a spiral pattern. Then, we have the room cleaning mode. In this mode, you can choose a room from one of your maps that you want to clean, and choose how many times you want the botic 1900 to clean it. And lastly, we have the zone cleaning mode. In this mode, you can create a zone to clean. You can do this by pressing Area and create the desired cleaning zone. You can also choose how many times you want the zone to be cleaned. Now you know everything about the app, how to use it, and how to use the different cleaning modes.